Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves, and I want to share with you some things to think about to help you stop freaking out when dealing with the coronavirus. I've had a few people reach out to me because of my past experience working in the public health arena, and I told them that I would share just a few of my insights and my opinions with regards to some things to hopefully kind of calm your fears down with regards to our current situation of dealing with coronavirus. When in doubt, start with the Center for Disease Control. You probably have heard this over and over again, but the CDC is really where you want to start. I've got a number of friends who are doctors and nurses, and I recently asked them, when you're looking for information about the coronavirus, where do you start? And the first thing out of their mouth was the CDC. So if you look down below, there's a link to the CDC's website, so that as soon as you hit the homepage, it gives you links to everything you need to know about the coronavirus. So if you're trying to get educated, I encourage you, don't go to the news sources or anything like that. If you want to, that's fine. But I would tell you, start with the CDC. That's a good place to jump off. Listen to your local government officials. When I mean local, I mean your city, county, your state. They are trying their best to get their hands on as much information as possible and to provide it to you in real time. I know that a lot of us are focusing on the federal government, and there's nothing wrong with that. But right now, as we're seeing across the country, local governments are jumping on this as quickly as possible. So as you're getting more information, make sure you listen to your government officials locally to give you guidance in terms of what you should do next. Follow the precautions. I know some of you out there are probably thinking, this is kind of silly that I have to wash my hands, put my hands over my mouth, or put my hands over my arm over my mouth, and put Kleenex over my mouth and so forth. And this social distancing thing, I don't understand. These are precautions. Right now, you're upset because you don't know. So the unknown is kind of the thing that really has you freaking out. So just make sure you follow those precautions. And these are things you're probably doing already. Keep doing them. More importantly, encourage others to do them as well. If you have a doctor, keep that doctor's number handy. Listen, if you're a hypochondriac like me, it's easy that when you get to automatically say, oh my God, what do I do? Well, what you do is you turn to those people who have the medical expertise. Don't start scrolling through a website that has all these symptoms and say, oh, I got this, this, and this. Cut out the middleman. Get on the phone, call your provider if you have one, and say, hey, listen, this is what I got going on. What do you think I should do? Let them tell you if you need to stay home, come into the doctor, or go to the emergency room. Don't try to fill in the gaps yourself. Let those who have the expertise fill it in for you. Check on your loved ones. I can tell you, as someone who's 50, going to be soon to be 51, I have a lot of family members and friends who are over the age of 60, 70, some in their 80s. So at this time, it's really important that whether they're 50, 60, 70, 80, or 20, 30, or 40, take the time to reach out to your loved ones and make sure that they're okay. A lot of times what happens is that, especially when we're kind of quarantining ourselves, it may feel like you're in a world unto yourself. Just make sure you reach out to others and let them know that you're okay, and make sure you reach out to others to make sure that they're okay. Make sure you understand that this will pass. Whether you realize it, we are a resilient country. We've been through a lot of different crises, whether it be natural disasters like Hurricane Katrina, or whether it be the H1N1 virus, or even the Ebola virus. We are a country that when times get tough, we mobilize. The problem that you have right now is that we're facing a situation that we've never seen before. So as a result, we're getting upset because of the information we don't have. We're gonna get more information, people, and as you get that information, use that information wisely. Don't allow yourself to get so upset that you abandon all rational thought. Trust me, we're in this together. Right now, information is your strongest ally. As you get more information, you can make more informed decisions.